Welcome back to Ride JBI. This is JB. Today we finished a suspension revalve on this 2022 Husqvarna TE300i. The stock WP Xplor 48 forks were replaced with the WP Xplor Pro 6500 cartridge drop-ins. Let me get a bit better view of that. There we go. We're utilizing the spec out of the box that these come built to from WP, as this Xplor Pro 6500 spec is really good for the majority of off-road riders. Has a great blend of plushness, comfort, and good amount of hold-up for off-road riding. For the riders that we do adjust this fork for are maybe the hard enduro riders that are going a lot much slower, or think lower momentum / speed on the trail. In that case, we may go a little softer. Or for riders on the other spectrum, those really fast and aggressive off-road riders, and ones that are riding at much higher speeds and momentum more often due to the terrain that they're riding. So think more open desert. For riders like that, we would likely be updating the internal settings to a different JBI off-road spec, something with a little more hold up. But again, the base spec that these come set up for are really good for like flowy single track off-road riding, some technical single track off-road, sprint enduros, some GNCC, that type of riding. The rear shock is the WP linkage shock that was revalved to our matching JBI suspension off-road spec. We also paired that with our JBI bladder kit. That is the gold piece with red cap. That way the forks and shock are matched in terms of the amount of compression damping that they have, and also the amount of rebound resistance that they have. What that does is allows the bike to feel balanced front to back as you ride it. Ride JBI has also tested, tuned, and developed many other suspension settings. We have settings for all the various types of off-road riding: motocross, pro motocross, arena cross, freestyle, supercross. Again, this setting is the out-of-the-box WP Xplor 6500 Pro. This rider does sprint enduros, GNCC type riding, some open desert. So based on that, we agree that the stock setting out of the box would be best for his overall riding type and type of terrain that he commonly sees. We match that with our JBI suspension revalve in the back. All JBI suspension services and parts can be found at ridejbi.com.